High on life, easy on money. You heard it right, as our developer has kept their promise which was been made. Chandak coming with their new development project in the epicenter of Mumbai and the residential development Highscape City in Chembur East. With a legacy of over 35 years, this is an A-listed company and 8 OCs in a single year. Chandak is coming to Chembur, which is all surrounded with greenery, and this is a huge land parcel of around 13 acres of land and is well connected. Talking about Chembur, so this is situated in the middle of Mumbai where you are easily connected to Fort, BKC and Navi Mumbai in no time. If you want to go to Fort, you can easily connect to the freeway in just 5 minutes and reach Fort in 15 to 20 minutes. Other facilities like monorail is at each step of Chembur that connects you well from Budala to Mahalakshmi easily in just 15 minutes away. Atal Setu is just 30 minutes away from here that connects you to the whole of Navi Mumbai, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is also 20 to 25 minutes away from here. Now let's talk about the schools and colleges that come under the radius of this project, like Ryan and St. Sebastian are near the project. Apart from that, hospitals like Apollo, Zen and Sanjeevani are just 10 minutes away from here. Sports club and other facilities like Acres Club and Sindhi Society Gymkhana are just 3 kilometers away, that is just approximately 10 to 15 minutes away from here. D-Mart, that is 5 to 7 minutes away, and Kurla Market City falls just 15 to 20 minutes away. Cubic Mall of Chembur is just 10 minutes away from here. So this was all about the connectivity. Now I shall talk about amenities. Now I'll be talking about some key amenities that only Highscape City is providing you that really fascinated me. Some of them are Pilates room, guest room, private dining, banquet halls, AV room, live art room and steam and sauna. So now I'll be giving you an overview of the project. Now I'll be giving you a project overview. So this project is spread across a land parcel of around 13 acres, which is really very huge. Apart from that, this project has 8 towers in total, out of which 4 are already launched. Highscape City is the only project that is offering you a 3-level clubhouse in Chembur. They have lots of amenities like big amphitheater and walking tracks, jogging tracks, cycling tracks, and you also get green landscape around the project, so you can get a beautiful view from your apartment for lifetime. So this was the overview of the whole project. Now let's move on to the sample flat. So this is our 2 BHK sample flat apartment, जिसका carpet area है 638 square feet. As you can see, very well utilized and very comfortable just by looking at it. आपका living area इतना cozy लग रहा है with an attached balcony for 2-seater, जहाँ आपका coffee table भी बहुत अच्छे से आ जाता है. So this is your cozy living space, just right next to dining space. So you can see this is a zero wastage apartment. Right next to your kitchen, यहाँ soft wall मिलेगा so that you can make an open kitchen space. Now, आइए मैं आपको किचन स्पेस दिखाती हूँ. किचन, so यहाँ ग्रेनाइट मिलती है, वेट्रिफाइड टाइलिंग, कंपार्टमेंट की इनफ स्पेस है, वेरी सफिशिएंट विद यूटिलिटी एरिया, एंड आपको रेफ्रिजरेटर के लिए भी अलग से स्पेस मिल जाती है. सो दिस वाज योर किचन. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर कॉमन वॉशरूम. ये है हमारा कॉमन वॉशरूम. अगेन ब्रांडेड फिटिंग्स, वेट्रिफाइड टाइल्स. मूविंग ऑन टू आवर किड्स और गेस्ट बेडरूम एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट. अगेन यहाँ पर मैं यूटिलिटी की बात करूँ, सो वेरी वेल यूटिलाइज, बहुत अच्छे से यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं. Right next to your bed, यहाँ पर आपका study table है. You can make a bookshelf. Moving on to our second bedroom, that is our master bedroom. This is quite spacious and you get full-length windows to enjoy your greenery and a beautiful view from your bedroom with an attached washroom right here. यहाँ भी आपको luxury fittings मिल जाएगी. So this is our 2 BHK sample flat apartment, and the pricing for 1 BHK is starting from 1.09 crore plus taxes. For 2 BHK it is starting from 1.72 crore plus taxes, and 3 BHK starting from 2.42 crore plus taxes. For booking purpose, आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below. Thank you.